So today we're going to talk about potties. Yes, potties. This little setup is great, so I'll show you what I got here and how you can set it up and where you can get it, each individual piece. So stay tuned and check out what I have set up, and I will put the links to both of these pieces there, and maybe you guys might want to pick them up. So, this is the first thing. This is a privacy tent. I got camouflage. And on the zips up like so. And inside we have our potty. Also camouflage. I'll get you closer inside here. So that's your little potty. It is not see-through. This material is very good. There's a little bag here. You can put your like TP in there. There's a little peephole right there. Of course, you want to close that while you're going. And there's your potty. So very simple to use. This comes off. Put your little bag inside there. You can fill it up with cat litter, sawdust, whatever you need to do. Number one is cat litter is very absorbent. So number two, you want to cover that up, of course. There's your little pad right there. It is solid, very solid. It will support up to 250 pounds. And of course, it closes. And there you go. Little private, personal portage on. Ah, little privacy and clean. So, that is my little setup. I will put the links down here in the description of each of these two products. This actually comes with stakes too. You do want to stake this down because the wind catches it and whoosh, your privacy is gone. So they come with stakes. They also come with some guidelines too in case it's windy. So that is my little setup. And maybe you guys might want to get something similar. If you're going to camper, of course you got a toilet in there, maybe. But if not, like me, you want something that you can put up that's a little bit more private. And I hope you guys like the video. If you do, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. And turn your notification bells on. And that is it for me. I gotta go. Y'all still here?